Hi everyone, so I'm so excited to finally launch our new product. It's been a long time in the making, trust me. I've been working on this product since the beginning of last year, if not sooner than that. Earlier than that. It's taken such a long time, and with so many ups and downs of the pandemic, we're finally here and we can finally launch it. And I can't even begin to explain how excited I am. So I'm just going to show you what the product is so that we can start from there. So this is what it looks like. It is called the Luer Multipot. Why is it called the Multipot? Because you can use it for multiple things. So you can use it as a lipstick, as a blush, as an eyeshadow, as a highlighter, whatever you want. You can use it for just about anything. We have 3 shades. So this is the first one. This one is called Deva. I love the name. It's a very beautiful shade, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on me. Okay, so this is Deva. I'm going to take some and apply it on my lips just so you can see what it looks like. It's such a beautiful shade, and honestly this has been my go-to shade. I've been using it every day. This is what I wear. It's so easy to apply. It's very glossy. It's not matte at all, so it's a very comfortable kind of feeling on the lips. It's so pretty. I just love the shade. So just if you can see it close up, this is what it looks like. I'm going to put it on my cheeks as well, although I did have some on my cheeks already. Again, very pigmented, as all our products are. It looks really beautiful on. So this is Deva. It just gives you the perfect glow. It's such a beautiful shade. It's gonna look great on all skin tones. I'm sure you guys will love it. This one is possibly my favorite. Actually, I can't say it's my favorite, but it's one of the best shades that we have for sure. It just gives you the perfect glow. You can also use it as an eyeshadow. You can use a makeup brush, an eyeshadow brush, and just apply it as an eyeshadow. Since it is like a brown sort of nude shade, it looks really nice as an eyeshadow for every day if you just apply it in the crease, or even you can also make it like a smoky look by applying some more other shades, which I will show you soon. But that's what it looks like on the eyes as well. I can't tell you how much I love this. So this one is Deva. I'm going to show you the next one. Next one is called Oma. It's a very beautiful pink shade, which is a beautiful pink, perfect for an everyday. I feel like a pink is just such a staple in everyone's sort of makeup kit. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on. And this is what it looks like. What it is, you can really build it up to whatever color that you want, in the sense that you can make it darker, you can make it lighter. As you can see, I don't know if this light is really capturing it. This is Oma. I switched my side because I think the lighting is better here, and you can actually, it's really pretty. The perfect kind of baby pink, perfect for your cheeks, perfect to use as a lipstick. You can also put it on your eyes. So this is what Oma looks like on the eyelids. It's a really pretty pink, and I think it just really completes the look. You can use it by itself. You can use a brush to blend it into your crease, or apply it all over with your finger. There's so much you can do with these products, which is why I love cream products. They're so versatile, and you can use them for just about anything. The texture again of this product is amazing. It's very buttery, very glossy, but not sticky. So you're not going to feel like your hair is getting stuck in your lips, or things like that. It's very easy to use. And yeah, so this is Oma, and I'm going to show you the last one. And now for the star of the show, we have Tara. It's actually called Tara, which also means star, and it's a very beautiful shimmer shade. It does have speckles of pink in it. It's so beautiful that you just have to see it to believe it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on, and tell me what you think. So this is Tara. I'm going to first apply Tara on the cheeks so you can see. It just gives you such a stunning glow. I mean, every time I wear this, or when I was wearing it during all the testing that I was doing, and I would get on Zoom calls with people, or even if I met anyone that I hadn't met in a long time, the first thing they would say is, "Oh my god, your skin is glowing." So this is what it looks like. I'm applying it on my eyelids as well. You can also use this as a highlighter. You can use it in the corner of your inner eye just to highlight that area. You can apply it on your the brow bone. You can mix it in. You can apply a black eyeshadow on your crease and apply this on the lid and just really create a very beautiful sort of smoky eye, like a shimmery smoky eye. It's just such a versatile shade. I love this shade. I just honestly, I almost bathe in it because I just love the way it looks. I just put it everywhere. It just makes you look really, really glowy. It makes you look like you have really nice skin. So the way I apply Tara on my lips is you can apply it just by itself as a shimmer lipstick. That's fine. Or you can do this. This is what I do. So I take Deva and I put Deva all over my lips. It looks perfect like this also, but then what I do is I take Tara and just apply it in the middle of the bottom lip, middle of the top lip, and then just blend it in, not everywhere but just in the center. And if you can tell, it makes your lips look bigger and plumper and juicier. And it also gives you that perfect sort of lip contour because it gives you a little bit of shine in the middle. So these are all the 3 shades of our multi-pots. I'm so excited to share them with you and I'm sure that you love them. It's perfect for this season also. Something fun, something different, something that you can use for everything. I'm just going to swatch the 3 shades on my hand just so you can see them. This one is Tara. As you can see, it's a really pretty shimmer color. The next one is Deva. This is Deva, one of my favorites, if not my favorite. And this one is Oma, a very pretty pink. So we have a pink, a brown, and a beautiful pinky shimmer. So I'm sure you're gonna love them. Give them a try. The texture is really beautiful. It's not matte. It's very balmy, buttery, glossy. They honestly give you the perfect color on your lips and on your cheeks and on your eyes. What more could you ask for? It is, I love them. I love these products. They're really my go-to products. I use them for everything. I'm sure you're gonna love them. So give them a try. The multi-pots are now live on the website. Go check them out. Bye.